Hi guys, as we welcome this new year, let's talk about what goals we would like to achieve in the following year. While individual goals may vary, there are some universal aspirations that most people are striving towards. If you believe in the Chinese horoscope or at least read it for fun, the new 2026 year will be the year of the fire horse. Horses are independent animals. They love freedom and independence. The new year will favor free thinkers, inventors, people that march to the beat of their own drum, goal-oriented and ambitious people, hard-working and driven people. To make the most of this year as a creative person, first sit down and write down the goals and projects you want to work on and finish during the year. I recently heard someone talk about career goals in a way that really resonated with me. In this new year, stop waiting for permission or approval from others to do what you love. Stop letting gatekeepers decide your life. Do your work in your style, unapologetically. Try out jobs you've always dreamt about. Do something you've always wanted to do, even if you feel intimidated. You won't know if you can do it unless you try. The year of the fire horse is the perfect year for that. So, Happy New Year and Godspeed.